Children, today in ratio and proportion we are going to do word problems. In the previous lecture we have learned to find out ratio. I hope you remember that order of ratio is very important. Ratio is always expressed in the simplest form. And ratio has no units. We have already done question 1 and 2 of exercise 8.1. Let's do question 3. The number of boys and girls in a school are 1953 and 1116 respectively. Find the ratio of number of boys to that of girls. Here we have to find out ratio of boys to girls. So it is 1953 is to 1116. Writing it as a division, we get 1953 upon 1116. Using divisibility rules, both numbers are divisible by 3. Now cancelling out, common factor 3 gives 651 upon 372. Again, both numbers are divisible by 3. So cancelling out, common factor 3 gives 217 upon 124. Now to find out common factor between 217 and 124, we find out their HCF. So we divide 217 by 124. So 124 ones are 124. Now here we get 93 remainder. Now we divide 124 by 93. 93 ones are 93. We get 31 remainder. Now we divide 93 by 31. Now 31 threes are 93 and we get remainder 0. So the highest common factor between the two numbers is 31. So let's cancel out common factor 31. And we get here 7 upon 4. So the ratio of boys to girls is 7:4. Now let's do question 5. The length of a rectangular room is 12 meters and its width is 6.8 meters. Find the ratio of its length to its width. So here we have to find out ratio of length to width. So it is 12 meters is to 6.8 meters. Now here width is given in decimals. So we will convert meters into centimeters. And we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will multiply both length and width by 100. And we get here 1200 centimeter is to 680 centimeters. Now writing it as a division, we get 1200 upon 680. 0 gets cancelled with 0. Now 4 is the common factor. So 30 4s are 120 and 17 4s are 68. So we get 30 upon 17. So the ratio of length to width is 30:17. Now let's do question 6. In a year, Rajni earns rupees 2,50,000 and saves rupees 75,000. In the first part, we have to find the ratio of money that Rajni earns to the money she saves. So it is earnings ratio savings. So here we have 2,50,000 is to 75,000. Writing it as a division, we have 2,50,000 upon 75,000. Cancelling out 3 zeros. Now 25 is the common factor. 25 tens are 250, 25 threes are 75. So we get 10 upon 3. So the ratio of earnings to savings is 10:3. Now in the second part, we have to find out the ratio of money that she saves to the money she spends. Now children, we know that earnings is sum total of savings and spending or expenditure. So expenditure is equal to earnings minus savings. So here we have 2,50,000 minus 75,000 and we get rupees 1,75,000. Now let's find out ratio of savings to spending. So it is 75,000 is to 1,75,000. So writing it as a division, we get 75,000 upon 1,75,000. Cancelling 3 zeros with 3 zeros. Now 25 3s are 75 and 25 7s are 175. So we get 3 upon 7. So the ratio of savings to spending is 3:7. Now let's do question 9. Divide rupees 720 between Rajat and Raju in the ratio 3:7. So here the sum of the terms of the ratio is 3 plus 7, which is equal to 10. Now this means Rajat gets 3 parts out of 10. So it implies 3 upon 10. Raju gets 7 parts out of 10. So this implies 7 upon 10. Now the money which we have to divide is rupees 720. So Rajat gets 3 upon 10 into 720. 0 gets cancelled with 0 and we get here rupees 216. And Raju gets 7 upon 10 into 720. 0 gets cancelled with 0 and we get rupees 504. And if you add 216 and 504, you will get rupees 720. For worksheet questions, do exercise